How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I want to say thank you for the new subscribers. Thank you for watching the videos. Means a lot, of course. This is going to be the Porsche Walk Around video. I did have a couple things to say before we get into that. Real fast. I haven't filmed a whole lot with this camera, so I need to do a better job of making sure that the image is stable and I'm not jostling the camera around. I did notice that while I was rewatching some of these videos. And well, it doesn't have any image stabilization, so I like the GoPros and stuff, so the image is a little shaky at times. I do apologize for that. And then I also do want to talk about the Z3. I've been thinking about it quite a bit. I think a lot of why I like the Z3 is because of the previous project car that I had was a '66 Mustang. So I really enjoyed how you sat in the vehicle. It was your space was a little confined. You kind of hunkered down into the seat. You were low to the ground. It really just reminded me of my Mustang, and I really enjoy that, actually. So I think that's why I enjoyed the vehicle so much. I am looking for a Z3, but I need to find out about grad school and if it'll be paid for by the school, so that'll help the decision making. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. We're gonna go to the Porsche. Also, thank you Car Care Center and Bob Hagan for letting me test drive those two vehicles. That was so much fun. I had such a fun day. That made my weekend. So thanks, guys. How's it going, you pheasants? And well, now we have a Porsche Boxster. I need to actually look at the paper on this because I have no idea what motor it has. It's not an S, so it's not going to be the 2.7 Boxster 6 dual overhead cam, 24 valve. Okay, so 2.7 liter Boxster 6. So they also had this at the car dealership, and I'm honestly very grateful that I got to drive it. Couple talking points in my opinion. Okay, it's got a big center exhaust tip. That's neat. It definitely has a little bit more sound, definitely better sound than the inline 4 of the BMW, which that makes sense because, well, you have a 6 versus a 4, and there's just more displacement in it and more cylinders, and it sounds way better. But anyway, what year was this? I already forgot. Maybe I'm blind, but I'm not seeing it. See, it tells you how much little I know about these vehicles. I do know that it is mid-engined. Boxster 6, of course. It's definitely got a little bit more go than the wow, look how sporty this front end looks. That is impressive, actually. It's a very, it's not, I feel more at home with the BMW, for sure. But I do like the steering feel on this. I want to say it's electric, but I don't know. I need to Google some stuff about these vehicles. But the on-center feel is better. And it's better turn-in for sure. It's a little more solid over the bumps. I see, now that I have it out here, I actually do quite like the shape of this. I think the rims are I like the BMW rims more. I want to say these are 17s versus the BMW 16s. Yep, I can see it from here. The BMW is 225s. What are these? Oh, 205 versus a 255. Wow, that's a pretty thick tire for the rear. I mean, it looks well proportioned though for the BMW or for the Porsche. I do quite like the look of this car, and the more I look at it and the more it's out here, I do quite like it. These do make me more worried though about maintenance because it is mid-engined. I don't even know how to pop the trunk or to even find the motor on this thing. and because it is convertible, it makes it more difficult. So I think the majority of the maintenance on this vehicle is, it's a lot more difficult. But it's a sharp looking vehicle. I didn't really look over it super well. I don't know the weight differences. I do like the black interior. I do like the gauges. They're a good look for sure. I do like the steering wheel. It is a 5-speed auto compared to the 4-speed in the BMW. It does shift a little bit faster. It does feel a little bit more higher quality. The sport seats are, they hold you in a little bit more. They got, you know, buckets. For my knees to not hit the steering wheel, the seat has to be all the way down, which then makes my visibility quite a lot worse. You sit lower in the vehicle, I feel, which with the BMW, I felt like I still sat low, but my visibility was still like awesome, like phenomenal. On this, I have to like barely look over the rear little window in the seat headrest, roll bar protection, or whatever you want to call that. Oh, that's cool. See, there's just so many little things to learn about these Porsches that I love. It is still, I mean, I'm sure it's 20 years old now at this point, if not more, so it does show some wear. Headlights need to be cleaned up. I do like the center vent, which it is actually a real vent, unlike some modern vehicles nowadays. Yeah, it's a cool vehicle. It's growing on me, for sure. I think I like the look of the BMW more. I think I'll start it up and rev it a few times, because you can actually hear it, and it sounds better than the BMW. I do like that the key is on your left side, which is a pretty much all Porsche thing. It's definitely got a good sound, for sure. Wow, it sounds really good out here. Yeah, that's cool. If I'm gonna buy the BMW or a BMW Z3, it's gonna be the inline 6, so it's got a little bit more sound. But the Porsche Boxster, that sounds very neat. You can actually hear the intake open. So cool. Oh, I love cars so much. It is so awesome. All right, I'm gonna head back to the car dealership before they think that I stole it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. I think this is gonna be the end of all the car videos. I'm probably gonna make 2 separate videos. Feel free to ask questions in the comments, and well, I really appreciate you guys watching these. See ya.